Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Climax Tech. We are uploading ice maker related products frequently. In this video you will find GSEICE stainless steel small ice maker, 100 lbs/24H under counter ice machine with 34 lbs storage ice bin, is perfect for home coffee shops, bars, and restaurants. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: capacity 34.00 pounds. Display type LED. Included components machine. Installation type built-in, undercounter. Material stainless steel. Model number 100 lbs/24H. Number of items 1. Size SDH. Specification metal 621. Style 100 lbs/24H. UNSPS code 48,101,700.